Any yoga mat will do, right? Not quite. Taking your practice to the next level with different types of yoga, or getting started in the first place, requires a surface that works just as hard as you do, and depending on your needs, the best yoga mat for you may be entirely different than the one you're currently using. There are many products available to choose from yoga mats, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best yoga mats from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gayam Classic Print Yoga Mat. Yoga mats can get pricey. The Medallion Yoga Mat by Gayam is a wonderfully affordable option that yogis can trust. Feel your feet connect with the earth through its 4 mm width, which offers just enough cushion without throwing you off center. Its double-sided texture also provides traction, so you'll be able to get into a downward-facing dog or a triangle pose without slipping. And did we mention it has a beautiful, yet simple design? This specific mat lasted quite well in the several months I've been using it, says an Amazon reviewer who is new to yoga. This was the first yoga mat that I purchased for myself. When I began practicing yoga, I didn't know if I would be consistent. Number 2. Jade Yoga Voyager Yoga Mat. Yoga mats aren't exactly the most travel-friendly accessory. But if you're frequently on the go and plan to keep up with your practice, you want a mat that you can easily take with you. Your best bet, Jade Yoga's Voyager Mat. It weighs only 1.5 pounds and folds into the size of a yoga block. This mat is incredibly compact, yet durable with a great grip. I fold it to fit into my backpack or suitcase and it never creases, says Sarah Clark, a Yoga Glow instructor and mindfulness coach. Plus, Jade Yoga plants a tree for every mat sold. Number 3. Heath Yoga Non-Slip Yoga Mat. Suited for yogis just starting their practices, this eco-friendly yoga mat includes alignment lines on the top layer to help you make adjustments with your hands and feet as you're moving through poses. The double layer also provides a grip so you don't slip and can maintain balance. We love that it also comes with a carrying strap so you can bring it with you wherever you go. I highly recommend this mat, whether you're a beginner or a little more seasoned, one Amazon reviewer writes. The quality and features are on par with $80 plus pro mats, but at a much friendlier price point. You can save over 30% if you order it right now. Number 4. Suga Recycled Wetsuit Yoga Mat. Eschewing new materials altogether, this non-slip yoga mat is made from recycled wetsuits, which keeps them out of landfills and gives them a whole new life as part of your practice. They're thick, too, which means you won't feel the floor no matter how many chaturanga to up dogs you take on, and they have a slight texture that'll keep your hands and feet firmly in place without slippage. I love this mat for hot yoga, no need for bringing a towel to cover your mat, a reviewer explains. This is thicker and slightly heavier than other mats I've used, but I love how it feels. I feel extra grounded when using this mat. It looks super cool, too, and I enjoy seeing the small bits of really colorful wetsuits. Number 5. Jade Yoga Harmony Yoga Mat. There's nothing worse than your hand slipping in the middle of a flow or a difficult pose, and a strong grip is a perfect way to keep that from happening. This one is Quinn Suplina's personal pick. It's made of non-toxic natural rubber and offers just the right amount of cushion for beginners to advanced yogis, she says. The mat is very stable and is quite durable. Reviewers note that the mat is sticky, which might feel odd at first, but this allows even the sweatiest students to remain stable throughout a flow, no towel needed. It can make transitions like an upward dog to a downward dog a little more challenging than on other mats, Quinn Suplina notes, but that's not an issue for those with a bit of practice. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as they will make your life much easier. Thank you for watching this video.